Hello, welcome back to N.E.S.T Kids. Today we're going to be learning about the heart, and to do that we're going to make an origami heart. Let's go! To make this, all you'll need is a piece of paper and some scissors. The first thing we have to do is make our rectangle piece of paper into a square, and we can do this by folding over one corner to the other side, like this, can you see? And then we're going to cut using our scissors down this line. So we've cut this bit off, and now we have a square and we're all ready. Let's go. Here we have our square. So what we need to do is take one corner and put it to the other corner and make a fold, and then open it back, and now we have one line. And now we do the same from this corner to this corner, and we make a fold. And we open it up, and can you see we've now got a cross? The next thing we're going to do is take this corner here and fold it so the corner touches the middle of the cross, and fold it down. There we go. Can you see that now that this is where we are? And the next step is to take the bottom point, and we're going to fold that to the top line like that. So this is what we have now. This next bit is a little bit tricky. So are you ready? Let's pay attention. So you see how there's this straight bit here, and we're going to take that and we're going to match it to that bit there. Shall I do that again? So we're going to take this straight bit here, fold it up and match it to there. And we're going to do the same on the other side. So the long straight bit at the bottom, take it up, and we're going to fold it under and match it like that. Wow, we've nearly got a proper heart. The next thing we need to do is turn the heart over like this, so it's got two little ears sticking up. And then we're just going to fold over the corners to make it all nice and round. So all of the pointy bits, let's just fold them over. And are you ready for the big reveal? Ta-da! We have a heart. So we've made our hearts, and now we're going to write on them some fun facts. But first, two things to remember. One, our heart is here in our body, but it's not actually completely heart-shaped. The second thing is that our heart is really important for pumping blood around our body, and this helps bring oxygen that we breathe into all of the parts of our body, which is really, really important. So here is our heart, and this side is the right side, and this side is the left side. It's confusing, I know, because it's the opposite, but that's what it is with the heart. And the other thing with the heart is that there are 4 sections. So we're going to draw a line across here, and across here, and down here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the blood comes into the right side of the heart from the body. And then it goes to the lungs. On the left side of the heart, it comes from the lungs and then goes to the body. And this is why the heart has what's called a double pump, because it pumps once to the lungs and once to the body. This is really important to get oxygen in the lungs. In the right-hand side of the heart, the blood does not have oxygen. It then goes to the lungs and gets oxygen. So in the left-hand side of the heart, the blood does have oxygen. I hope you enjoyed making your heart. Now we know a few things. That the heart has a right side and a left side. It has 4 different sections called chambers. And in the right-hand side of the heart, the blood is deoxygenated, but in the left, there is oxygen. I hope you enjoyed learning about the heart, our muscle, an organ which is so important to our body.